Hey, this is Eli, aka Devoted Day Trader. Today I had a chance to trade on the road. I'm still traveling for the holidays, but I placed two trades on. So I traded MU and Tesla today, and they were both winners. But what I want to focus is on the MU trade and how we should get back into a valid trade after getting stopped out. So on MU, it was selling off in the open, and I went short at 53.05 with the high of this tail as my stop, and it did go down, but I was expecting it to go lower to about 52.50. It didn't get to that price, so once it came back, I got out for a break even. And then I was watching it. It kept moving higher, and I noticed that it started struggling at this level right here. And ironically, this level is the high of this topping tail. So the people who went short here are defending this level. Once I saw that they were defending this level literally to the penny, I went short. But then I stopped out once this level got breached. But then once I realized that the fact that it went above this resistance by 2 pennies or so was to shake out the weak hands, I got back in. I was pretty confident that it was going to go lower, and I went pretty heavy because my stop was or my risk was the high of these bars, and it dropped. I took profit here, and I took the rest off at VWAP, and yeah, it could potentially go lower, possibly down to 53, or even may test the low of the day. But I was pretty happy with the trade. I think I made 3 times what I was risking on this last trade, so this was a nice trade. I also had a successful trade on Tesla. So on Tesla, it sold off in the open. But what I really liked about Tesla was it made a lower high, and then it made a double bottom at this lower high. So I went long 413, not well, 414 actually, with my stop of the low of these double bottoms. And yeah, it just went in my direction. I took the majority of my position off once I reached 2-to-1 on my money, and I had about 20% of my shares remaining that I was going to sell at yesterday's low, this red line, but it never got there. It made a double top, and now it is sold off, and I got out on the remaining of my position at VWAP. But it's crucial, these resistance, the resistance on Tesla hold, and the resistance on MU hold. And wow, MU is dropping some more, but I already made my money on the name. So these were the trades today. I haven't been trading as much this last week because again, I'm traveling for the holidays, but today I had a lot of time to do this video, so here is the video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below, and if I don't post tomorrow, I wish everyone a happy new year, and may 2020 be your year. Peace.